If you are a person that likes camping and the outdoors, you've come to the right place. I'm going to continue my tour of Strawberry Bay Campground, where I've shown you loops A and B, and now we are going to show you loop C. Loop C has one of the best views of the lake of all the campsites. And it's super hard to get a reservation here for that reason. It's got really good access to the lake. Some people will park their paddle boards, their kayaks, even small boats right next to their campsite if they're lucky enough to have those campsites. And of course, as usual, you have your full flushing toilets with electricity. Many of the sites have these beautiful little pavilions for your shade, and all of them have picnic tables. Be careful with fires. Only in designated fire pits are fires allowed, and even at sometimes when it's really dry, you can't even use those. I just love this view. This view is priceless. And since it's right next to the water, if you're really quiet and things are not crazy and the weather is not crazy, you can sometimes spot deer in this meadow going down to drink, as well as other wildlife. And if you do catch a fish, as I've mentioned before, the fish are not small, they're big fish. And I've never seen anything caught below 15 inches. Doesn't mean you'll catch every time, but you will catch big ones when you catch fish. I can tell you a little story. One time on the 4th of July, I believe it was, we were out on a boat with my in-laws, and they have a canopy on the boat. We put it out because it was raining like crazy and hailing, and there wasn't enough room under the canopy to escape this weather. So I stood and took it for like 3 or 4 hours. It was awful, and it was like 30 degrees. But I'll tell you what, those are the kind of things that you remember that build memories. And those are the experiences that you cannot replace if you don't come to places like this. I love it. We come here at least once a year and camp, and often go for day trips to fish. You can camp here from April-ish to October, and it's good that whole time. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. And if you like the weather, wait 5 minutes. That's how unpredictable it can be. I really want to thank you guys for watching this video and sticking with me to the end. We're going to continue our journey through Strawberry Bay Campground, and we're going to start next with Loop D, of course. If you still haven't figured out why you'd want to camp here, or if you want to make sure there's not a better site for you, then stick around and check out those links to those other campsites. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Video Recon and like the video. It helps out tremendously in making this content. And I want to wish you guys a great day with whatever you're doing, and we will catch you on that next video. Bye for now.